Hi guys, Andrew at Impress. I've got a finalized product from one of our guests, brought in a high-end gaming computer. This is the top of the line i9 13th gen chip into a Z790 motherboard, along with the RTX 4090 series. We put it together, got the drivers up and going, and it's high-end, gentlemen and ladies. Anything you need from us, if you need us to build computers for you, to teach you how to build, we offer that service. We build, we repair. Anything you need, all you have to do, call 281-647-9977.